Hi, you guys, welcome to a Sunday in my life. This is going to be a Sunday reset routine. We were supposed to wake up at 7 a.m., but obviously, I am not a morning person, and my mom and my sis tried to wake me up since 7 a.m., but it is 9 a.m. and I'm finally gotten up. And but we're not gonna waste it. We are going to go for a walk. Also, in my last vlog, I showed you guys that I got some groceries from Nature Basket. So we're gonna make avocado toast and chia seeds pudding. So that is it. Come along. Hi, you guys, we're finally back home. It was such a good walk. We had some nariyal pani soaked in some vitamin D. Now I'm gonna make some breakfast. So, yeah, come along. Yes, but there's a change of plan. Instead of chia seed pudding, I'm gonna be making a yogurt bowl because apparently I've not soaked chia seeds overnight. So, yeah, come along. Hi guys, it's been a while. It's around 2. My room for some reason tends to get messy. I cleaned it up as you might have seen. Now we'll quickly do our skincare sesh. Uske baad I'm gonna be having some lunch. I'm not that hungry because as you all saw breakfast was a little heavy. So typical Gujju family dal dhokli is made. I'm gonna have that. And after that we're gonna do some journaling. So yeah, come along. So guys, I finally got done with my skincare and I feel so good, and I don't know, for some reason it is such a therapeutic experience personally for me, getting dressed up or getting in cute PJs, doing your skincare, doing your makeup, all those girly things I really love. Now we're just gonna have some lunch, as I said earlier, and I think I need to rest a little bit because I've also created a YouTube video yesterday. I've been shooting since morning. I also created a reel, posted that, edited that. I'm super proud, but I feel like my body is telling me to rest for a little time. So I'm just gonna do that. After journaling, I'm gonna rest for a while, watch my favorite show. So, yeah, that is just a reminder for you guys as well to not take it so hard and not be overwhelmed or burnt out. You need your rests timely. And yeah, even I'm going to rest for a little. And whenever I feel better and feel like working, I'll resume because I need to edit videos as well. Since apart from content creation, I also have a full time job. So, Monday to Friday, I have to dedicate my time to that. So let's see how the day goes, and I'll keep you posted. Hi, you guys, the lunch is done. It was super yum. Now, on to planning, journaling basically. So, I've got this journal slash planner from Simba Lifestyle. I'll link it down below. It is Mridul Sharma's planner. I love it, and I've not used it yet. So, I'm just gonna put a little snippets that I took for Instagram here so you can get a close up as to how the journal looks. And yeah, I'll just do it for a while and then take my break as decided. Hi guys, I woke up a while back, had some chai makhana, and my mom is going to Kota at my cousin's place. So we just dropped her off till taxi stand, and now I feel very refreshed because I was so tired, and after sleeping and getting up, I feel very refreshed. Now we are going to salsa workshop. My friend just asked me, there's this salsa workshop happening at Lower Parel. So I was like, why not sign up for it? 2025 is all about trying new things. So I'm really excited, but I'm just confused as to what to wear. I've never been to a salsa class. So I don't know what to wear. In movies, I've seen people wearing like those flowy dresses and kitten heels. So I don't have any of those. I'll just figure out what to wear and give you an update. Even Dhwani is coming with me. It was last moment, but she agreed to come with us, and it's going to be amazing. After that, I am in a mood for some sushi, so I'll have to convince them to come to Fu with me. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, I'm finally back home. The salsa class was like very mid. I didn't enjoy it at all. The instructor was good actually, but I think I am not so much inclined towards the dance form. But yeah, it was an experience overall. Uske baad we went to eat for some Asian food. We had two kinds of sushi and ho fan noodles. It is kind of flat noodles made out of rice. The overall ambience was 8 out of 10. Food was also like 9 out of 10. I think this can be my second favorite place after Foo for some Asian food. And it was a really good night. I was looking also really cute. I'll again put up a picture or a video to show my outfit to you guys. It was giving like very Korean vibes, and overall my day was really good. It was a successful Sunday. And yeah, that's it. I'd like to end the video on a good note. Hope you guys enjoy watching such videos, and if you do, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.